Alright, hey guys. So you're looking at some paracord, and you notice there's no buckle out there, obviously. And this was a video requested. I'm forgetting the username, but he or she requested that I do a how-to video to make one of the paracord bracelets without a buckle. So it's very easy, and I'm just gonna show you how to do it today. So I have roughly like 8.5 feet, 8 to 9 feet of blue cord, and about 2.5 feet of yellow cord. So I kind of pre-measured this for my wrist, but you're gonna take your base cord that you want. Alright, so my battery just died, and I ran out of space on the SD card. Of course that happens in the middle of filming. But anyways, so we just made the base of the bracelet with the little ball end and obviously the loop. And from here, if you know the weave, the Cobra weave, it's really easy. So you're just going to take the second cord and fold it in half, grab the middle loop, and then about 1/2 of an inch down, more like an inch, you're gonna place it behind it, so you have the blue behind the yellow. And then the first one's kind of tricky just because it's kind of just awkward, because, yeah. So you get the first loop down, like that, and then you can also adjust the position of the first weave. So I want it like that. So that's about inch, 3/4 of an inch, and an inch down. And then you're just going to continue the weave all the way down. Like so. And I have a couple of paracord videos I have to put out. I'm going to be doing a single, well, I might do both of those. I'm going to be making a 2-color paracord bracelet. I've had a lot of people ask if I could do that. I might do a 2-color King Cobra bracelet. I don't know about that because it's basically just the same as the single Cobra, or the single weave, but you just go back over it. A couple people have been asking if I can do some lanyard videos. I might do some of that, but yeah, just stay tuned for all of those, and we'll get back when it is finished. And there you have it, guys. That is the paracord bracelet without a buckle. As you can see, there's the loop from the beginning, from where you folded the base strand of paracord. There's a little ball knot, just with a simple overhand knot, and then just the weave, in this case of blue, going across the yellow. And when you put this on, you just take the ball, or the end knot. Having some trouble with this, clearly. Just put it through the loop, and it'll stay like that. That's all there is to it, you guys. If you know the weave, It's really easy. I'm really sorry. I really forgot the username of who requested it. But I'll probably mention him in the description. Just a little shout out to him. But that's for you. I hope this helps, and I hope this helps everyone else. And I'll see you guys later.